So everyone, it's me Mehak Bhardwaj and welcome to the another episode of books. Yes. So as you read from the title that this video is all about book haul. Yes. So if you are my subscriber and if you know me very well, so you also see the video on January. I post my first book haul on January. Yes, and it's almost 6 months now. We all know this. It's almost 6 months now, and whatever the books I bought in that time, January, I complete every book. Yes, and currently I'm reading Bhagavad Gita. So after completing Bhagavad Gita, I don't have anything to read. Sorry. So I decided, why not bought something new? Why not buy new books? So yes, again I'm back with a book haul, but this time watch video till the end because you will know a very important information. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. So in this video I will give you the information about the location definitely, and how you should have to buy the books, obviously, and then obviously we will move to the books and their prices. And the last important information I want to give to all of you, so please watch the video till the end. Okay, so first let's talk about the location is the same, ma'am. Yes, location is again same. It's Mahila Hart Book Market. So if you're in Delhi, if you live in Delhi, then please consider yourself God favorite people. Yes. So you have Mahila Hart Market, and the nearest metro station is Delhi Gate. Yes, the nearest metro station is Delhi Gate, and you have to exit from gate number 3. And after that, it's just 2-minute walking distance, and then you can clearly see that Mahila Hart Book Market because it's too much rush and crowded on Sundays. Main stuff, the day when the market is open. The market is just open on Sunday. Yes, सिर्फ संडे को जा सकते हो आप वहाँ पर, कभी नहीं, and that's the worst thing ever, I think so, according to me. And what's about the timing is just all about maybe 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Yes. Now the second step is how you should have to buy the books. Yes, I always say this and I always recommend this कि always buy book in bulk. Yes, no matter what, if you're buying books from local market, local streets, yeah, even from bookstores. Like yes, bookstores, they will not reduce the price, but definitely they will give it a discount. इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, but at least buy 4-5 books so they can give the discount. Because when you buy just one book, you have to pay the exact price, man. Yes, so it's very important to buy books in bulk. Because if you know what, Mahila Art mein everything is just very cheap, so you don't have to think twice ki which book I should have to buy, how much I have to pay. Every book is just so cheap, man, like so cheap. Now move to the books. Yes, now let's move to the books, but first I have to show you something. I want to show you something. Look at these, man. These is the bookmarks I bought from Mahila Art. Yes, you will get bookmarks too. The prices is 20 each, but if you bought 3 bookmarks, if you buy 3 bookmarks, then this will cost you 50. Yes, 10 rupees less discount, 10%. So yes, you will get bookmarks too, sorry. Okay, so yeah, let's move to the books. So 2 books is repeated. Why? Because I have to give these books to someone. Yes. So the 2 books is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari and Good Vibe, Good Life. The price is 100. Yes, 100 both. Yes. Now the third and fourth book is I Don't Love You Anymore and The Mount Is You. Same prices. Yes, 100. Yes. You know what? Last time when I bought Good Vibe, Good Life, it just cost me 50 because I bargained that time. But this time I was like, it's okay. 100 is also good price according to me. So yes, these 2 books is also 100, and it's a very good price, man, according to me. Like, you have to pay, and you can pay 100 rupees for these books. Yes. Sorry. Now let's move to the another 2. You know what? These 2 books is in my wish list. Hooked and Who Will Cry When You Die. I mean, yeah, seriously, who will cry when you die? Sorry, I'm just out of the topic. you know what about this book? When I'm reading The Diary of a CEO, Stephen Bartlett, Stephen Bartlett recommend this book in his book. Yes, recommend this book in his book, and I was like, why not read this book? Hooked. And then I saw a reel about this book, Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma, and I already read The Mongoose Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma, so I decided why not read this book by Robin Sharma. So yeah, the same prices, 100. Yes. Now let's last two books, last but not least. If you're Khalid Hosseini fan, I can probably say this. If you read Kite Runner, then you must have to read A Thousand Splendid Sun. Sorry, yes, you must have to read. And then the next book is this one. So the price of this book is 100. Yes, and but this book is 150. But what I said, you must have to buy books in bulk. So I bought these two books from the same person, same seller. So he was like, no ma'am, no, 150 में ही दूंगा मैं. I was like, please मैं प्लीज़ करने लग जाती हूँ सच में. When I see कि हाँ नहीं मानना सामने वाला इंसान, so it's very important to please. बुक्स के लिए तो मैं कुछ भी कर दूँगी. Yes. So when I tell him कि प्लीज़ दे दो 100 में दोनों बुक्स प्लीज़ दे दो, so he was like, ले जाओ. और बहुत रूडली he's very rudely towards me that time. I was like, it's okay, I don't care, मुझे तो सिर्फ बुक चाहिए थी और मुझे मिल गई वो. So yeah, I'm done with the books. So yes, I'm done with the books, and I almost buy 8 books, and every book cost me just 100 rupees. It's just 100. And if you're also good at bargaining, then you can also reduce these prices too, according to me. But 100 is very good price, man. Like, yes, you can pay 100. Yes, so I buy 100 books. Oh, sorry, I buy 8 books, and it just costs me 800. So yes, and I also bought 3 bookmarks, and it cost me just 50 rupees. I know you're waiting for that information. I tell you starting of this video. Wait a minute. So the information is, you know what, Mahila Heart only sell bestseller books. Yes, and that is the saddest part for me as a reader, because I'm searching a book, 100 quotes that will change your life by Library Mindset, author of the book, and I'm not able to find the book because that book is not bestseller, and I feel so bad. Yes. So this is the information. So if you want to buying books like Atomic Habits and these books, whatever I show in this video, and many more, but if the book is not bestseller, if the book is not best-selling, then definitely, but the angle is not angling, so definitely you're not able to find that book. Mahila only sell bestseller books, man. Yes, only. That's it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, obviously, and if you did, subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and if you want to share anything with me, yeah, if you want to recommend me anything, you can comment down, yeah, you can DM me on my Instagram. I will give you my Instagram handle. Okay? So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.